So, for number 4, Manual Company received an invoice for 24,120 pesos dated January 22 with terms 315, 130, and 60 EOM. Then, letter A, if the invoice is paid on February 1, how much is to be paid? Letter B, if the invoice is paid on February 20, how much is to be paid? And for letter C, if the invoice is paid on March 22, how much is to be paid? So, let's now identify the given values. So, same process ulit. May nakita kayong invoice for 24,120, meaning to say, yung 24,120 ko ay ang mahiwagang net price. Sunod, dated January 22. So, paulit-ulit lang tayo. Ganun lang lagi. So, January 22 is invoice date. With terms 315, 130, and N60 EOM. That makes this problem under end of the month dating. So, 315, 130, tsaka N60 is the term. Next, ano yung kailangan nating hanapin? Sorry, hindi ko na nilagay dito. Tingnan nyo na lang sa modules. Pero ang question is, for both, hindi both. Tatlo pala to, sorry. For all the problems or yung scenarios, they're asking for how much is to be paid. So, meaning to say, we're looking for the amount payable for letter A, for letter B, and for letter C. No need to total kasi wala namang sinabi na ito total. So, we will just get the amount payable for each scenarios. So, for letter A, we're looking for the amount payable and the net price is 24,120 multiplied by 1 minus the discount rate. So, we have to identify what discount are we going to apply. Is it 3%, 1%, or none at all? So, if the invoice date is January 22 and this problem is under EOM, i-shift na natin agad. So, from January 22 magiging January 31. So, ito na yung bago nating invoice date. Next, if the invoice is paid on February 1, kung February 1 daw ako magbabayad, anong discount kaya yung makukuha ko? So, we all know that there is a 1-day difference between January 31 and February 1. Then, going back to the terms that we have for this problem, this February 1 is within the range of 15-day range. That's why we have to use the 3% discount for scenario letter A. So, that makes 0.03 here. So, ulitin ko ulit. Bakit naging 0.03? Kasi going back to the invoice date na January 22, and then meron tayong EOM. Alam natin na this problem is under EOM. So, we have to shift that date to the last day of the given month, which is January. And the last day for January is 31. Then, this will become your new invoice date. Next, if they will pay on February 1, what discount will be applicable for February 1? So, we must know the days between 31 to February 1. And obviously, isang araw lang yung lumipas from 31 to 1. Kaya, dahil isang araw lang naman, nasa 15-day range siya. So, ibig sabihin, we will use 0.03%. So, ayun. I hope that's clear. Solving this one directly in your calculator, we will have 24,120, open parenthesis, 1 minus 0.03 or 0.03, equal sign, S to D. The answer is 23,396.4. 0.4 is the same as 40. So, either you include 0 here or not, okay lang din. So, let's now solve for the amount payable for letter B. Having the same net price na 24,120, 1 minus, hindi pa natin alam yung discount rate. So, we have to identify. So, again, going back, ang invoice date natin will still be January 22. That will be shifted to January 31. Kasi nga, EOM tayo. So, next, kailan niya babayaran? Babayaran niya daw ng February 20. So, ilang days kaya ang lilipas from January 31 to February 20? So, let's count. So, from January 31, we start with February 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, obviously, yan ay 20 days. From January 31 to February 20. Dahil under tayo ng 20 days, let's see dun sa terms kung saan siya magfo-fall. 315 ba? Hindi. Kasi nga, within 15 days lang siya. Nag-exceed na ng 15 days to 20 na nga, oh. So, let's proceed with the next available na term. 130. So, within the 30-day range, merong 1% na discount. So, ito namang 20 natin within 30 days naman siya, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin 1% discount rate is applicable. So, we will have the discount rate as 0.01. Solving this one in your calculator, we will have 24,120 multiplied by 1 minus 0.01. The answer will be 23,000. Sorry. Let's put it here. 23,878. 178.8. So, that's it. Next, last letter. Letter C. Amount payable, we still have the same 24,120 multiplied by 1 minus. Ano naman kaya ang applicable na discount rate if we will pay on March 22? So, ang invoice date natin ulit ay January 22. That is shifted to January 31. So, ngayon, ilang days ang lilipas mula 31 hanggang March 22? So, obviously, kung bibilangin ninyo isa-isa, wala namang problema sa akin. Pero kung gusto nyong lagyan ng ginagawa kong technique, edi go. From February 1 to February 28, this is 28 days. Ngayon, from March 1 to March 22, we have 22 days. Adding this two, we will have 50 days, right? So, dahil may 50 days na ako, lagpas na ng 15, lagpas na ng 30, automatic dito tayo sa N60. Which means na walang discount rate na applicable. So, this will become 0 and your amount payable is still 24,120.